Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 4B, and our subject is mathematics. In the previous video we have discussed exercise 5.7 in the chapter multiplication. Today we will discuss another interesting method of multiplication, that is called lattice method, and we will do also exercise 5.8, right? So let us start with multiplication by lattice method. So first of all, you have to know what is lattice method. What we'll do in lattice method. The lattice method is an alternative method. Lattice method is an alternative method to do long multiplication, and very easy method. In this method, a grid is prepared. A grid, right? It can be 2 by 2 grid, 3 by 2 grid, 4 by 4 grid, anything. And the numbers to be multiplied are arranged around the grid. So let's start with an example. So I have taken an example, and it's given multiply 15 and 21. So we are doing multiplication 2 digit number by 2 digit number. So using lattice method we have to solve. So I told you that you are needed a grid. Okay, so how many grid you are needed? Since it is 2 by 2, 2 digit number by 2 digit number multiplication, that's why the grid is prepared 2 by 2, right? That is 2 by 2 grid. Now write down the number along the grids. First of all 15, and in the column wise it is 21, right? So now you have to draw a diagonal along each square. Draw a diagonal. So I have drawn a diagonal. Now you have to start from 2 cross 5, that means 2 5s are 10. So now you have to write the number 10 in the first box of intersection above and below the diagonal. This is above, and this is below. So you have to write the numbers above and below the diagonal. So since 5 cross 2 is 10, so write down 1 here and 0 here. Did you get that? Then 2 ones is 2, that is the 1 digit number, but you have to put the 2 digit number. That's why in the upper portion it should be 0, and the lower portion it should be 2. 2 ones are 2, right? Now 1 5s are, again 1 5s is 5, so 5 here and 0 here, same method. 1 ones are 1, so you have to write 0 here and 1 here. Now what will I do? Draw a diagonal, draw a arrow along this diagonal. Okay, that is a red color. I'm drawing an arrow. So now you have to do addition along this arrow, okay, or along the diagonals. So 5, so it's only 5. This is a first diagonal. So how many diagonals are here? 1 2 3 4. So first diagonal this is a second diagonal, this is a third diagonal, and this is a fourth diagonal. Okay, so second diagonal you will, so first diagonal you get 5, and the second diagonal you have to add, right? So 0 plus 0 plus 1, so you will get 1. And the third diagonal, this is 1 plus 2 plus 0, that is 3. And the fourth diagonal only 0, so that will be 0. So the number, that is the product will be 0315 along this side. Okay, so 0315, that means 315. So this is our product, and this is the way how to do the lattice method. Did you get that, everyone? Now we will discuss three-digit number multiplying the numbers 3-digit number by 3-digit 2-digit number, 3-digit number by 2-digit number. So you are needed how many grids? Okay, how many grids? This is a 3 by 2 grid, right? You need 3 by 2 grid. That means 2 rows, this is 2 rows and 3 columns, right? That is 3 by 2 grid. Now draw the diagonals. Now you have to write the numbers along this grid. So it is 362, it is written, and now you have to write here 25. Now draw diagonal. Okay, I have drawn also. Draw the diagonals in the small square boxes. So I have drawn in the each square boxes. Now you have to start the multiplication. So 2 2s are 4, that means 0 4. 2 6 are 12. So now in the upper portion it will be 1 and lower portion it will be 2. 2 3s are 6, so upper portion will be 0 and lower portion will be 6 in each boxes. Now 5 2s are 10, the upper portion is 1 and the lower portion 0. 2 6 are 12, similarly this, and 5 3s are 15. So this is 15. Okay, now draw. So I have drawn the arrow alongside. Okay, now you have to add these numbers along the diagonal. So what will you get if you add them? So 0 is 0, 4 plus 1 plus 2, you will get 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 0 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5, that means 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8, and it is 0, right? So the product is 8870. So this is our required result. Okay, now exercise 5.8, question number 1a says solve using the lattice method. The question number A, 2015 cross 4, and a box is given or grid. This is a 4 by 1 grid because the number is 4 digit by 1 digit. We are multiplying 4 digit by 1 digit. So in this upper portion, in this column, the number will be 2015, and here it will come 4. Now draw the diagonals. Okay, I have drawn. Now we have to do multiplication. So you have to start from the 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 1s are 4, that is 0 4. 4 zeros are 0, that means double 0. 4 2s are 8, that means this. Now the you have to add the numbers along diagonals. So 0, 4 plus 2, it will be 6. 0 plus 0, it will be 0. 0 plus 8, it will be 8, and 0, it will be 0. So our product is 8060, right? So this is our required product. The same question, the question number C, you have to multiply 4-digit number by 1-digit number. So you have to write the number along this grid, that is 7286, and along this it will be 5. Now draw the diagonal, yes, in each square. So I have drawn, and now multiply it. So 5 6 are 30, 5 8 are 40, 5 2 are 10, and 5 7 are 35. Okay, now you have to draw arrow. Okay, along this side. So now add them. 0 is only 0. 0 3 plus 0. So you have to draw along this arrow. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 3. So our product is, the product will be 36430. That means 36,430. Okay. Now I'm solving question number 2C. That is said, multiply the following using lattice grid. So we are multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number. So I told you before that you need 2 by 2 grid, right? You need 2 by 2 grid because you are multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number. So you need 2 by 2 grid. Now write down the number along these grids. First of all, you have to write the 49 along the row wise and 33 along column wise or vertically. Now draw the diagonals. Yes, I have drawn. Now multiply it. So 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now we have to do addition along diagonal, along the diagonal. So it is 7, so it will be 7. Now the second diagonal, 7 plus 2 plus 2, that means 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. That means you have to write 1 here and carry 1 to the next place. Next place means next diagonal. Now 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and this 1 will be added to 5. So you will get 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay, and 1 will become 1. So our product will be 1617, that is 1617. 1617. This is our required result. Now I am solving question number K. So in this question it is given multiply 3-digit number by 3-digit number. So you need first of all you need 3 by 3 grid, right? 1 2 3, 1 2. So you have to write the numbers along the grid. So 705, that is row wise, and 604, that is vertically. So I have drawn. Now draw the diagonals. Yes, I have drawn the diagonals, right? Now let's start with multiplication. 6 5s are 30, 6 zeros are 0, 6 sevens are 42, 0 5s are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0 sevens are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 zeros are 0, 4 sevens are 28. Okay, now add the numbers along diagonal. So 0 you will get 0, along this diagonal you will get 0 plus 2 plus 0 you will get 2, along this diagonal you will get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 you will get 8, 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, that is you will get 5, 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2, and it's simply 4. So our product will be 425,820. That means 4,25,820. Now solving question number 3b. Multiply the following using lattice grid. So in the question number 3b it says the multiply 4-digit number by 2-digit number. So you need, first of all you need 4 by 2 grid. Okay, 4 by 2 grid. That means 2 rows, and that is 1 2 3. That means 2 rows and 4 columns. So this is 4 by 2 grid. Now arrange the numbers around the grid. So write down the horizontally 7 1 3 4 and 57 vertically. So I have drawn, and now draw the diagonal each in each boxes, right? So I have drawn. Now let's start the multiplication. 5 plus 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 0 5, 5 7s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 0 7, and 7 7s are 49. Now you know you have to do addition, right, along this diagonal. That is in your red color. If you add the numbers along the diagonals, you will get it will be 8, 0 plus 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. So write down 6 here and carry 1 to the next diagonal. That is 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 plus 1 is 16. Again carry 1, so to the next diagonal, that is 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. Write down 0 here and carry 1 to the next place, that is 3 plus 1, it will 4. That is our product will be 4,06,638, right? So this is our required result. Question number D, it is the same question, that is you need 4 by 2 grid, that is 2 row and 4 columns. Arrange the numbers along the grid. Now draw diagonal in each small boxes. Now start multiplication. 6 6 is 36, 6 8 is 48, 6 2 2 is 12, 6 5 is 30, 2 6 is 12, 2 8 is 16, 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. Now add along this diagonals. So it will be 2 and it will be 6 plus 1 plus 6, that means 13, carry 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, carry 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2 and it's 3. So product will be 327732, that means 3,27,730. So we have done some problems, but you have to do by yourself, that is your remaining problems. If you have any problem, then please try to, then you can ask me in the class. Please try to learn. This is the simplest way to do the multiplication, and please do the remaining problems. Thank you.